Hello students, good evening. Myself Sharad Singh and I am from Kanpur. Basically I am from Raebareli. I have done my postgraduate in mathematics in 2017 and previously I was working in Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya as TGT mathematics and currently I was teaching 7th and 8th classes and my total teaching experience is near about 7 years. Therefore, I would like to join Vedantu because I am a very fascinating teacher and helping students. I love personal interaction with top teachers and students. So students, as we are aware that today I am teaching mathematics for class 9th and my topic is coordinate geometry. Okay students, so here we are going to study coordinate geometry. At first we should know that what is the meaning of coordinate. What is meaning of coordinate of point? Okay, coordinate of point. Ordered pair ordered pair of distances ordered pair of distances of any point from the x axis and y axis y axis respectively. Okay, means जो coordinates हैं, coordinates of a point are ordered pair of distances of any point from x axis and y axis. For example, let P is any point, its distance from x axis is x and distance from y axis is y. So here there are two terms. First is abscissa and second term is ordinate. Okay, here abscissa, it is distance of point from x axis and ordinate is distance of point from y axis. Okay students, getting my point? Then representation of point, as earlier told, it is ordered pair of distance from x axis and y axis. Okay, for example, P is any point and its distance from x axis is 4 unit and from y axis is 5 unit. Then 4 is abscissa or distance from x axis and y is ordinate or distance from y axis. Clear students? If we are given 4,5, then first represent x axis means abscissa and second one represent y axis means ordinate. Okay, clear students? Now next, quadrant. Quadrant. Okay, as we seen, okay, let this is x axis, this is x dash, this is y, and this is y dash. The intersection point of both x o x dash and y o y dash is 0. Okay, here as we see here, x o x dash and y o y dash are mutually perpendicular lines. Okay, this is first point. And second point, origin. One term is origin, that is intersection 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 point of x o x dash and y o y dash, or in other words, intersection point of x axis and y axis. Y axis is called origin. Okay, I hope you are understanding my point. Coordinate of origin at origin the distance of any point is 0 comma 0. It mean abscissa of point is 0 and ordinate of point also 0. Okay, next point, coordinate of point on x axis. For example, this is graph and this is an point, and this represent x axis, and this is y, and this point is origin. Okay, and the suppose P or A is any point on x axis, then the coordinate of A will be x comma 0. Okay, and the point on y axis, let this is B, the coordinate of B will be 0 comma y. Then we will write here, first coordinate of x, coordinate of point, just second, on x axis 0, that is x comma 0, and coordinate of point on y axis, that is 0 comma y. Clear? Now quadrants, as we seen earlier, if we divide a graph paper in 4 parts, that is x and x dash, this is y, and this is point, this point is y dash, and the intersection point is origin. Okay, when we divide any graph paper in 4 parts and the lines are mutually perpendicular, the first part is called the first quadrant, first quadrant, and this part is second quadrant, and this is third quadrant, and this is fourth quadrant. Okay, now position of point, let or second the important thing is this, that the quadrant are counted in anti-clockwise direction. Okay, anti-clockwise directions में हम quadrant को count करते हैं, first, second, third and fourth. Okay, if let any point P in first quadrant, then coordinates of the point are x comma y. If this point, suppose Q, in second quadrant, then the coordinates of point are x comma minus x comma y. If point R in third quadrant, then coordinates are minus x comma minus y. If point S lies in fourth quadrant, then its coordinates are x comma minus y. Okay, and there are some points, please note down. If x is greater than 0, x is positive and y is also positive, then point P lies in first quadrant. Second, if x is negative and y is positive, then point lies in second quadrant. Third point, if x is negative and y is also negative, then point lies in third quadrant. And fourth, if x is positive and y is negative, then point lies in fourth quadrant. Okay, let's take an example. 4 comma 2 minus 1 comma 2 minus 3 minus 4 and any point 6 comma minus 2. Here and this is 4. Here 4 is positive and greater than 0 and 2 is also greater than 0, then it lies in first quadrant. Okay, in second, minus 1 is less than 0 and 2 is greater than 0, then this lies in second quadrant. Third, minus 3 less than 0 and minus 4 also less than 0, then it lies in third quadrant. And last one, 6 greater than 0 and minus 2 less than 0, then it is lies in fourth coordinate. Okay, students. Thank you.